Syrian refugee assistance, helping those in need. The purpose of this site is to both inform the user and allow them to get involved in helping these people survive in a terrible situation. The current civil war going on in Syria has produced somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 million refugees. Some of the displaced people relocated to different parts of Syria, but a majority of them have fled to neighboring countries. When designing the site, I felt it necessary to bring a little background information to help the user gain a better understanding of what is going on. I believe understanding is the first step towards sympathy. In light of this, it only makes sense to provide some basic background. I've designed the site with 4 different choices from the home page. The first page is called Beginnings, and this is where we have listed the cause of the refugee crisis. Next comes the Current Affairs page. This page seeks to explain the current situation for the refugees and offer insight to the current situation. Then there is a Needs page. Here we offer a list of items needed by the refugees. Then there is a Donation page. Here we offer a form that can be filled out to make a contribution to the refugees with very little trouble. In closing, I want to explain why I chose this topic. I have been keeping abreast of the situation since early on. The people of Syria have been victims of shootings, mortar attacks, and in one situation they were subjected to a chemical agent deployed by the government forces. As I learned about the situation, it made me feel that something should be done to help these people. Unfortunately, money is the biggest need. Money to provide for the needs of the many. Even donations aren't a guaranteed way to provide aid, with the government blocking aid shipments into the country. Here is an example of the site as it is up and running. We start here with the home page, who we are, why we're here. Then the Beginnings page, background on the Civil War. Current Affairs, listing what's currently happening for the refugees and what they're experiencing as far as difficulties go. The Needs page, listing basic needs that the refugees have. The Donations page, here's where we have the form to fill out to make your one-click donation. You see it asks for all your basic information and your donation amount and your credit card number. When you're done filling out the form, click Donate Now, and it brings up a successful donation thank you page. I felt it necessary to include a thank you page so people understand that we appreciate their getting involved and trying to make the situation better.